Okay, we got a big surprise. Came in today. Hope you can see it.
Wonder who it's from.
Big surprise.
If you can't tell by the tape.
Pardon me,
What's it say on that side? Magnet. Ezra, get back. No. You can't get in on that.
What's this right side? What is it?
Come on, get back. It's past magnet.
More magnet?
Real deal rules.
Thanks, Benny.
Thank you, Vinny.
That's
Team Kratos.
awesome. Woo woo.
Team Kratos.
Team Kratos, baby.
Wow.
Ooh, is that my claw I get to try out?
Yes.
It's in its own little bag.
Look.
Oh, that's one of those ones I wanted.
Nice and heavy. Yeah, you don't have to put a magnet on this. It's all by itself.
Ooh. What's that? What's that? What's that, Paps? What's that?
You're not doing something right.
What's that? What's that?
It's a claw, Ezra.
Very nice. Feel that.
Oh dear God, it's heavy. Very nice, very
Benny
nice.
D. That is awesome.
You are the man. Thank you, Benny.
We got stuff to move with that tomorrow.
Yep.
It's so slick. It's 4-way too. It's not 3.
Hey,
4-way
Daddy,
claw.
I want to see this.
That's it. You don't have to do it no more.
I want to see it.
No.
I want to see cards.
No.
What?
Because it's got stuff written on it for us. You can't have it.
What is it? Well, what is this? What is it?
That is so cool. It's got its own little baggie. Here you go, Ezra. You can have the box.
You can have an empty box.
And this is a piece de resistance.
What's that? Another box?
Another box.
What is it, magnet?
It's another box. Yeah, it's a magnet.
I want the bubble box. I want this. I love this. I like this.
Ooh, you got more stickers because I wouldn't let you have any last time.
I like wood.
No, these stickers are for us.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, hair. Hair with me. Got hair. I love it. I like it. So
Poker
much.
chip is for me. Thanks.
What's that?
Poker chip. Yay. Thank you, Benny.
Ah, it's a mouse.
It's the Artie Mouse.
Artemis. Artemis.
Artemis Prime.
Kratos Artemis.
Very nice. Ooh.
360.
We thought we should try out the 360.
Everybody's going on and on about the 360, and that's all you see out there.
I like your
This ought to do
magnet.
the job.
I like your magnet.
You like the magnet?
I love it. I have the box. I have the box.
Hang on a second, baby. Hold on.
Then give me the box peps.
It weighs about, it feels like about 2.5, maybe 3 pounds.
Here, let me feel.
Keep your phone away from it.
knuckleboards.
Oh, very nice.
Got a good feel to it. Got a very good feel to it. Cannot wait to get this out.
Like, I'm going to hold you, Nanny.
I will do some Loctite on it tonight.
Oh,
It takes an Allen wrench.
look at this fang box. Look at this fang box.
Benny D,
You're the man. Thank you so much.
you're a man of your word, and I truly appreciate you, buddy. I cannot wait to get this out. Let's do a test real quick. Let's do a little testy poo. Let's see here. Here we go with the test. Let's see what happens. Oh wow, look at that.
Man.
Oh,
It
and
is
it's not-
strong.
It's not just on that, on the bottom. Watch this. On the
Mhm.
side and the bottom. And let's take a look at this.
What's this? What's this?
What's this? Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Oh my
And the
God.
top. Baby, we are up to speed now. We have got the Artemis 2400 360 degree magnet from Kratos. Kratos Magnetics, baby.
Thank you so much, Benny.
Benny D, you're a man of your word. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. You always take care of us, and we love you for it. I cannot wait to get this out this weekend. Thank you very much. Daggone, that thing scratched it up too. It's alright. It's going to get wet and murky
And muddy.
and muddy. Yeah, it's
This
already
name-
scratched up from me testing it.
ass wax.
But anyway, we're going to get this out. See you real soon. Like and subscribe. Team Kratos. Look in the description below to get your magnets.
Real deal out.